Welcome to Love Garden Care, a place where I share simple, natural, yet truly effective secrets. I'll guide you on how to care for and nurture your beautiful anthuriums right at home. Here, we'll learn how to water properly, clean the leaves, and apply simple tricks to keep your plants blooming all year long. These natural tips will keep your garden fresh, vibrant, and full of positive energy. Let's plant a little more love each day so every corner of your home becomes a garden of peace and joy. The first ingredient I use to create this wonderful natural fertilizer for anthuriums today is chicken eggshells. Eggshells are rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium, and trace minerals, which strengthen the roots, thicken the leaves, and boost overall plant growth. I gently crush the chicken eggshells, then put them into a blender to grind them finely, so the minerals can dissolve more easily in water during the soaking process. Once finely ground, the eggshells become a great natural fertilizer, providing slow and steady nutrition to anthuriums, while also slightly balancing the soil's pH to improve nutrient absorption. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm so happy to welcome you to Love Garden Care. Leave a comment below and let me know. It's amazing that we can connect and share together from all around the world. After that, I put the crushed chicken eggshells into a very clean glass jar. The second ingredient I use is rice, a simple and natural ingredient found in every household. I add 3 tablespoons of rice into the glass jar with the eggshells. This important step enriches the mixture with organic vitamins and minerals for the soaking solution. After that, I pour about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water into the jar. When the hot water touches the eggshells, calcium and other natural minerals begin to release, creating a nutrient-rich solution that plants can absorb more easily during the soaking process. Finally, I stir the mixture well to help the extraction process happen faster and ensure the nutrients dissolve evenly in the water. Then, I cover the jar tightly and let it soak for about 1 hour, allowing the mixture to blend perfectly and release all the natural minerals from the eggshells and rice. After preparing the solution, I check my anthurium. Notice the flowers look wilted and less fresh. So, I gently cut off the wilted flowers to help the plant focus its nutrients on the healthier parts. Next, I apply turmeric powder to the cut area. Turmeric helps disinfect, prevent rot, and speed up the healing process. After about 1 hour, I strain out the residue and keep only the liquid that has absorbed the nutrients from the rice and eggshells. After about 1 hour, I take the solution out and stir it well with a spoon, so that the nutrients from the rice and eggshells blend completely. Then, I strain out the residue, keeping only the clear liquid rich in natural minerals. This filtering step prevents residue from clogging the roots or causing mold in the soil, keeping the solution clean, easy to use, and safe for the plant. Next, I add about 500 milliliters of water at room temperature to dilute the solution. This makes the mixture gentler and prevents any shock when watering or spraying on the leaves. With this mixture, we have a natural, easily absorbable nutrient solution, perfect for ornamental plants like anthuriums. Step 1. Wiping the leaves. I pour the freshly prepared rice and eggshell solution into a small cup. Then, I use a clean cotton pad to soak up the solution. And gently wipe the entire surface of each leaf from top to bottom. The rice and eggshell solution is rich in calcium, potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins, which enhance leaf shine, boost metabolism, and help repair weak leaf tissues. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed in multiple languages including English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily switch the language in your video settings. Regular leaf wiping also prevents tiny insects, mold, and dust buildup, keeping the leaves clean, healthy, and full of vitality. Step 2. Spraying the nutrient solution over the whole plant. After wiping the leaves, I pour the remaining rice and eggshell solution into a spray bottle. Then spray it evenly over the Anthurium, covering the leaves, stems, and around the roots. Spraying the solution helps the plant absorb nutrients more completely, especially through its leaves, where minerals can penetrate quickly and nourish each cell. The eggshell and rice solution is rich in calcium, potassium, magnesium, and natural vitamins, which strengthen the plant, thicken the leaves, and prevent rot or mold. When sprayed evenly across the plant, nutrients reach the young shoots and growing tips, helping new leaves develop faster, shinier, and stronger. With this natural care method, the Anthurium is nourished from roots to leaves, keeping it vibrant, radiant, and full of life. Step 3. Watering the nutrient solution into the soil and around the roots. After spraying the leaves, I pour the remaining rice and eggshell solution directly onto the soil and around the base of the Anthurium. The minerals from the eggshells and rice, such as calcium, potassium, and magnesium, gradually soak into the roots, helping them grow stronger and absorb nutrients more efficiently. The solution also improves soil aeration and stimulates beneficial microorganisms, making the soil looser and allowing the roots to breathe more easily. After watering, I place the plant in a bright, well-ventilated spot, so it can gradually absorb the nutrients and regain its natural vitality. Step 4. Gently dry the leaves after watering. After the plant has been watered and absorbed enough nutrients, I use a soft, clean cotton cloth to gently dry each Anthurium leaf. This drying step removes excess water left on the leaves, preventing mold, brown spots, or leaf rot often caused by high humidity. Once cleaned, the leaves become shiny and reflect light better, allowing more efficient photosynthesis and giving the plant a fresher, healthier look. Wiping the leaves isn't just a cleaning step. It's a gentle moment of connection between you and your garden, where you feel the breath and vitality of nature. I usually place the plant in a spot with soft light and gentle airflow, so the leaves can dry naturally and the plant can relax after care. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope these simple tips help you take better care of your Anthurium and create a lush, vibrant green corner right inside your home. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Love Garden Care, so we can keep learning more easy, natural, and effective plant care tips together every day. See you again in the next video. May your days be peaceful, filled with green energy and joy in every leaf.